Hi everybody! Today we're gonna make some cute little hot cocoa bombs for these cute little mugs that I got from Home Goods today. They're super duper cute. I got 2 of those. I'm gonna do some little neighbor gifts. We're gonna fill, well, I got these hot cocoa bomb molds from Amazon at a very good price and they came pretty quickly. So we're gonna go ahead and make those with the chocolate, and then we'll put a scoop of the hot cocoa in there, and then we'll put some marshmallows in there also, and then we'll just glue them together with the chocolate, and then sprinkle some these crushed candy canes on there, and they'll be super cute. Also, we're gonna go ahead and use these plastic spoons here, and we're gonna dip them in chocolate and also drizzle some chocolate over the top of those, and then add some crushed candy canes to those as well, and that'll be all part of the cute little gift set. We're gonna, this cute little teapot I got on Amazon too, I'll link that, and also these hot cocoa bomb molds in the description below. So first we're gonna melt this Nestle Toll House semi-sweet chocolate chips. What I'll do is just cook this in the microwave for about 10 seconds at a time, stir, and keep repeating that process until they're fully melted. I think one more time at 10 seconds ought to do it. All right, let's start filling those chocolate bombs. And this is gonna be really messy, so make sure to put some parchment paper down. Just bring it up the sides, and anywhere where you can see, just make sure there's chocolate showing, or chocolate over those holes. Alright, I'm going to move on to the next. This little set came with 2. That's nice, so I can have 6 bombs made. After I'm done filling these, I'll put these in the fridge for a bit before I fill them. These will be great for neighbor gifts, or you can just have fun with your kids and have them make their own little chocolate bombs. We have a Christmas Eve tradition when we do the hot chocolate thing, and then we go out and look at Christmas lights, so this would be perfect for that. All right, I'm gonna throw these in the fridge. While we're waiting for those, let's go ahead and do these little spoon dippers. This is just crushed up chocolate. All right, so I had these in the fridge for about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna see if they're, oh, nope, they are not ready. Nope, back in the fridge. Okay, so these ones are ready. I'm gonna leave the other ones in the fridge for just a little longer. I'm just gonna decorate one side of these. They're still a little bit sticky, but I think we'll be fine as long as we work fast and then put them in the fridge when we're done. And put them back in the fridge. Oops. Probably should have kept them in the fridge a little bit longer because they're starting to melt. So keep that in mind when you guys make them. Okay guys, now so I warmed up my chocolate again, just so that we have some glue to glue these together. I'm just gonna rub it around the sides. Flip the pretty side down. And our neighbor has 2 kids, so I'm just gonna set this cute little mug up for 2 kids. I was gonna go to the dollar store and get some of that brown stuff that's kind of cut, like shredded up, and put that down at the bottom to kind of fill it up, but I haven't had a chance to go to the store, so I figured I will just get some marshmallows and fill up a little bag. And then I'll just add these 2 hot cocos to the back and kind of fill the mug up a little bit. And then the kids can have more than one drink. Let's keep the air in there too. I'll just put it in upside down so you can't see this ugly part of the bag. That looks cute. Now we got our little chocolate bombs. Just stick those right on the top. We're gonna finish up this cute little hot cocoa bomb mug with some cellophane, wrap it up cute. We go with our cute little hot cocoa bomb mug. I hope you guys use my recipe, and I will link the little hot cocoa trays that I got on Amazon below, so that if you're interested in making those, you know where to go. But I think the hot cocoa mug turned out absolutely adorable. Thanks so much for watching my video, you guys. I hope this gave you some good ideas, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.